Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Download HyperX NGenuity from the official HyperX site and run the installer. Use the installer to add the program to your system. Connect your HyperX headset via USB 2, 0, or the 3.5 adapter if available. Wait for Windows to recognize the device before continuing. Open NGenuity and allow firmware updates when prompted to ensure compatibility. Restart the app after updates complete to load new features and settings. Select your headset in NGenuity to access EQ, presets, and custom profiles. Use the equalizer interface to tweak bass, mids, and treble with precision. Adjust the equalizer bands and save a profile name like gaming or music for quick recall. Enable virtual surround to broaden spatial audio for games and movies. Set chat mix and microphone sidetone levels to balance voice and game audio. Export or import profiles to share settings between. Configure RGB lighting per zone and choose static or breathing effects for visual customization. Use the color picker and adjust brightness percentage to match your setup. Create macros for buttons and assign functions to on-headset controls for faster access. Test macros in an application to confirm correct behavior and timing. If issues occur, reinstall NGenuity, update drivers, or reset firmware to 2.1.0 following on-screen prompts. Contact HyperX support if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.